Hi, I'm Danny Sanchez, CEO and founder of Autoshop Solutions. And these are some troubling times we're working through, there's no question. But there are some things that you could be doing to help your business and to help the community at the same time, and thought we'd just leave you a couple tips. This is part of our Don't Panic Pivot campaign. We're helping shop owners look for ways to keep growing their business. Number one, just don't do nothing. Do something. Find a way to really support the community if you're not busy inside the shop. Plenty of your customers who are dealing with some rough spots with COVID-19. They may need help in ways not just supporting their cars, but may need help that you can jump in as well. I've seen shop owners out there who have been going and shopping for seniors and helping out in that way. Maybe spending their mornings doing something in a volunteer basis that way, and that may be something that speaks to your heart, or something else that you can do that maybe supports the community. And there's a lot of goodwill that you can garnish from doing something like that. If there ever was a point over these last 10 years where we've been telling you how important it is to be collecting email addresses for your clients, today is the proof, because the easiest way to get a hold of people is by sending them an email at this point. Of course, you could call, but there's an awful lot of people to do that with. But send an email out to your clients. Let them know your status. Let them know that you're there to help. Give them some tips on what they can do to keep their car ready to go, because at some point in time, they're going to need it. If it's not for an emergency, it'll be for some other errand, and the last thing you want is to have the car dead on the driveway when they first need it. So reaching out to them first off, just letting them know we're here to help. Call us if you need anything at all is extremely important as we keep on moving through this crisis. And tip number 3 is don't be afraid to try something new. This isn't the time to be timid, and it's certainly an opportunity to try something maybe you haven't done in the past. So trying something new, and that may be creating a video. That might be creating some kind of content that you can either post on your social media or your website and put it out for people to either get a laugh or get a tip. Cell phones today are awfully powerful, but you can create some really good video. Doesn't take a lot to edit. It doesn't have to be really long. It doesn't have to be super involved. It's just that you're posting content and letting people know, 1, you're available, and 2, you're also part of the community and there to help as well. Or that places that are in need. If you know that maybe one of the homeless shelters or maybe some food bank is in a particular need, just sharing that information with your clients is also another great way to help the community and also keep the word out that you're there to help. So those are some quick tips from Autoshop Solutions. Hope you and your family are faring well through these difficult times. We're here to help you as well. And do read the blog that's posted here on the Don't Panic Pivot and get some great ideas on how to keep moving your company forward.